Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and push-button ignition offer convenience and control. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, dual moonroof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, fog lamps, FWD, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.